Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to share with you 10 crafts you can try to help ease your stress and your anxiety. The truth of the matter is that I suffer from anxiety and panic attacks. I had my first panic attack back when I was about 24 years old. It felt like I was having a heart attack. It felt like I was being removed from my body and watching myself crumble. If you have feelings of anxiety, of panic, of disassociation, make sure first of all to reach out to someone for help. I'm gonna leave some links down in the description box below where you can get some help. There's something that helps me a lot when I feel panicky, stressed, anxious, and that is reaching for a craft. But I'm not talking about any craft. I'm talking about crafts that are specifically very soothing, rhythmic, and have that ability to help calm myself down. So today I wanted to share that list with you. One of my favorite resources right now for free craft classes is a site called Blueprint. If you sign up for their classes, there's no credit card required right now, and you can get free craft classes, knitting, crochet, baking, you name it, until April 9th. Make sure to click on the link down in the description box below to get those free classes. They are not sponsoring me, however, I have an affiliate link, so if you want to help me out, click on that link. I get a little commission, which is fantastic, but you still get the classes for free. All right, let me share with you my 10 most favorite crafts for busting stress. The first craft I'd recommend is knitting. The slow rhythmic motion of knitting needles is soothing and probably my favorite craft for de-stressing right now. I'd recommend starting with something simple like a scarf or a small blanket and going from there. Try out the Blueprint classes to learn how to knit for free this week, or search for knitting basic videos here on YouTube. Number 2 is coloring. Much like knitting, coloring in an adult coloring book is both rhythmic and soothing. Anyone can do it, and there are lots of free coloring printables available online. I'll link to some of my favorites down in that description box below. 3 is embroidery. Embroidery can be as simple or as complex as you'd like it to be, so it's a good craft for many levels of experience. You can check out my embroidered pillow DIY, or take a Blueprint or YouTube beginner's embroidery class and move towards a more complex pattern. Number 4, crochet. Many people find crochet easier than knitting, so it might be a good fiber craft to start with if you're new to them. It's a wonderful craft to do while watching a movie or during an afternoon quiet time. It's also really easy to learn online. Number 5, bullet journaling. This craft is relatively new to me, but I can already see how it could ease stress. Bullet journals are essentially a quick journal of your past, present, and future in short form. You can get creative with the layout and it can keep you organized. I'll link to some bullet journaling resources down below. Number 6, aromatherapy crafts. There are many essential oil scents that are very soothing, like my favorite, which is lavender. Try making candles, skincare, or bath items that contain calming scents. You'll find both the making and the using of the items very relaxing. Number 7 is baking. There's nothing quite as stress relieving as kneading bread or baking cookies. I've definitely been doing a lot of this these days, and I'll link to some of my favorite recipes down in that description box below. Number 8, painting. Whether you're skilled at it or not, painting is so calming. You can paint a piece of art or even paint a wall. The rhythm of a paintbrush or paint roller can be extremely relaxing. Number 9, gardening. It's almost gardening season here for us, and I am so excited to grow some plants. The hope and life that come with planting a seed can be so healing and very exciting to watch. Check out YouTube for some gardening tutorials for your growing zone. And the final craft, number 10, is paper crafts. Paper crafts like origami, scrapbooking, or card making are very tactile and very calming. The feel of the paper and the gentle movements of folding, gluing, and stacking can be extremely therapeutic. There are many paper craft classes on Blueprint, and I'll link to some of my favorites down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments below if you've ever experienced feelings of anxiety, panic, stress, or disassociation. I would really love to know. If you don't want to share that, it's too personal, that's fine. Let me know down in the comments below which of these crafts is your favorite, or which one you think you want to pick up and try this season. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas on a budget. I'm gonna leave some more videos that I hope you guys will love right up here.